Namaste, it's Natalie. Welcome to a standing slow flow session. Go ahead and come to the front of your mat. Bring your hands to your heart, close your eyes, and check in. Notice your breath and start to see if you can elongate the inhalations and exhalations. Go ahead and bend your knees, send your weight to your heels, bottom back, chest up into chair pose. Making sure your knees aren't going over your toes, try to sit it back and find that breath again. Then stand up tall, hold a nice slight back bend here. Take a deep breath in and out. Then we're going to go ahead and bend forward halfway, placing your hands onto our shins. Take a deep breath here in and out, noticing the hamstrings might be a little bit tight right now, and that's okay. Then bend your knees and come on down a little further if you can. Release the head and neck. Take a deep inhale, and with the next exhale, see if you can sink in just a little bit more. With your next inhale, rise on up to a standing position. Shifting your weight to your right leg, step your left leg back into a lunge. Both feet facing forward, take a deep breath in and out. From here, we're going to go ahead and warrior prep that back left foot, placing it down. Keeping that right knee pulled out so you can see the big toe, right arm in front, left arm behind to warrior two. See if you can take a couple more breaths here, in and out. Then gently drop the left hand and reach the right arm back so you get a nice side stretch. Keeping a bend in that right knee. Leaning back a little bit more if your body is okay with it. And just notice the release. Coming back up now to warrior two, we're going to straighten that right leg, reach in front of us, drop the right hand down, left arm up high to triangle. If you want an additional challenge, look up towards that left hand and take a nice calming breath here. From here, squeeze the core, bend the right knee, and come on out of it back to warrior two. Square your chest to the front to warrior one. Deep breath here, in and out. Pivot the back left foot, lean forward, step forward to chair. Deep breath in and out. Then we're going to switch. The weight goes into the left leg. The right leg goes back into left lunge. Hands can come to the heart. Deep breath. We're going to pivot the back right foot to warrior prep. Whenever you're ready, we're going to elongate those arms out. Left arm in front, right arm behind, relaxing the shoulders, pulling out that left knee, and feeling the strength and stretch going on in this warrior two pose. One deep breath here. And drop the right hand back. Left arm comes up and over, dancing your warrior. Stretch it on back for a nice torso stretch. Keeping a bend in the left knee. Deep breath. Windmill the arms back up. Straighten that left leg. Reach in front of you, dropping down that left arm with control. Right arm goes up now. Advancing this triangle pose if you would like. Shift your gaze up to the right hand. Then we're going to squeeze the core. Reach up towards the sky. Bend the left knee and rise on up. Back to warrior two. Square your chest to the front to warrior one. Take a deep breath in and out. Then go ahead and pivot that back right foot to a high lunge. Deep inhale and exhale. Then lean forward, step forward, a chair, bottom back, weight in the heels. Take a deep breath, place the hands behind your back, and lean back to a deeper standing back bend. Coming up, clasp the hands behind your back, roll back the shoulders, and take a deep inhale to your chest. One more deep inhale and exhale. Then bend from the knees and arms come over in the direction of your head for a nice shoulder stretch. Try to relax the head and neck and drop the arms a little further if they allow. Then with your next inhale, bring your hands towards your back and round on up. We're going to go ahead and unlace the hands and bring the feet apart. Arms come up, grab that right arm and reach on over to the left side. A little further if you can. Then take a deep breath in, switch wrist and lean on over to the other side. See if you can deepen the stretch with the exhale. Inhale, unleash the arms, cactus the arms, pull the knees out and find a deep wide squat, making sure those knees are way back. Sink in a little deeper if possible. Then stand, point the toes towards the front, place the hands from hinging to the hips, down you go. Keep your right arm down and bring the left arm up to the sky. Then in your own time, go ahead and switch hands. Left arm down, right arm up to the sky for a nice twist. Gently place both arms down to the ground. Walk the hands back. Then walk the hands forward and crisscross the arms. Feel free to sway and just dangle there and release. Then go ahead and bend the knees and gently round on up. Walking the feet closer together, we're going to find a kickstand, keeping the right leg down, left leg goes out. And you can work that left leg up as high or keep it as low as you'd like for a tree pose. Hands can stay at your heart or go above your head. Take a few smooth, long breaths here. And just focus on your balance. If you fall out, gently come back in. We're going to go ahead and switch sides, making a kickstand with your right leg. Left leg is down, and work that right leg up wherever you prefer. Arms can go up or they can stay down. Deep breaths in and out. And feel your body balance. Try to focus on something that's not moving and feel the balance. Gently come on out of it, placing both feet down. Then switching to your left leg, grabbing the right ankle with your right hand, left arm in front. Trying to keep the knee facing down. If you can kick up a little higher, kick up to dancer. Again, try to focus on your breathing. Relax the shoulders. Gently go ahead and come on out, placing the right leg down, switching to gripping the left, right arm in front, and gently kick back into that left hand. Softening the breath, relaxing the shoulders. And gently coming on out of it whenever you're ready. From here, we're going to go ahead and place the right leg in front of the left leg, hinging from the hips. If you want to go down all the way, you can go down all the way. Try to relax the neck if you're going down. And see if with those exhales you can sink in a little bit more. Then with control, with your next inhale, slowly make your way up. Bending the knees, coming out of it. And switching your left leg in front now, hinging from the hips. Head being the last thing down if you're going all the way down. And try to release into it. With your next exhale, go down a little further. And then with no rush, gently come on up, unraveling the legs. Hinging from the hips again, neither leg in front, and find your forward fold. Feel free to come all the way down if you'd like with the exhale. And then gently round on up. Swooping the arms up and placing the hands over the head together. Hands come together in prayer. Go ahead and close your eyes and take a moment of silent gratification. Then go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me.